Hi everybody, so how I do. I separate from the kind of, you see this is a straight and this kind of round I cut right there. So it's easy for me to peel it, and this is easy. Now done. Fine. So beauty. Next, I show you how I cut it to cook as a soup. It's hard, but too easy to cut. You do like me, just put the knife like that and just slowly moving the swash, and then it's easy. You don't lose a lot of energy. An easy cut. It doesn't matter. And just slowly, and you put down. Don't press too hard. Just and easy for you to cut the hard thing. See? Because this is round. Yep, done. Smaller, just cut in half like this.